Okay, I want to show you another kind of pattern question that you might see on a test this year, and that's patterns on a number line. And I want to show you this question because you can see this number line is counting, the numbers are counting by twos, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. There's actually a line marked for every counting by one number, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But what you actually need to pay attention to is the numbers that have points on them. So when you see this kind of question, what you want to do is make sure that you write down the number that matches each point. That's the pattern. And this one actually tells you that the rule is add 3. So my first point is at 10. And then the next point is in between 12 and 14. This is 13. Then there's a point on 16. Then there's a point in between 18 and 20 is 19, which does follow the rule. All of these numbers are adding 3 each time, and the question asks what will be the next 2 numbers. Once you have your pattern, you can use the number line to count, but you don't really need the number line. You just need to continue using that rule. 19 plus 3 more, and again you can use the number line. 1, 2, 3. There will be a point on 22, or you can just add 19 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. Another 2, 22, and then you add 3 more. 25. So you're looking for B, 22 and 25. Sometimes the number line the points will be very clearly marked on the number line. So again, this pattern is 10, 13, 16, 19. Again, it's another way of showing you that same question. And then there might be a question like this. This can feel overwhelming to us visually because there's just so many number lines. But you want to do the same thing. You want to start with the first number line that they give you and figure out what the pattern is from the points. So this pattern is 2, 8, 14, 20, 26, 32. So I can tell that this rule is adding 6. So then the question is, which of these number lines also use the rule plus 6? So here I see 34, 36, 38, 40. That's adding 2. This pattern has 36, 40, 44, and 48. That's adding 4. This pattern starts on 38, then there's a point on 44, then a point on 50, then a point on 56, then a point on 62. This rule is adding 6. And remember, for pattern questions, you will have access to a computer during the test that will help you solve the rule if you need it. So I'm going to save H, but I'm going to double check J. J starts on 40, then there's a 48, then there's a 56, then there's a 64. That rule is adding 8, so I can eliminate J. The one that has the same rule plus 6 is H.